Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you national food legislations in food safety and quality control subject. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, the objective of the food law is to make available safe, pure, wholesome and nutritious food to the public. In 1954, the Indian government enacted the food law known as Prevention of Food Adulteration Act in 1954, and rules were made under this in 1955. Besides this act and the rules, many other orders related to food like FPO 1955 and milk product order 1973 etc are made. Food laws in our country. The Indian Parliament has recently passed the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 that overrides all other food related laws such as Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954, Fruit Products Order 1955, Meat Food Products Order 1973, Vegetable Oil Products Order 1947, Edible Oil Packaging Regulation Order 1988, Solvent Extracted Oil, De-oiled meal and edible flour order 1967, milk and milk products order 1992, etc. are repealed after commencement of FSSA 2006. Then FSSAI, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has been established under Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, which consolidates various acts and orders that handle food related issues in various ministries and departments. FSSAI has been created for laying down science based standards for articles of food and to regulate their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale, and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesome food for human consumption. Then functions performed by the FSSAI, that is framing of regulations to lay down the standards and guidelines in relation to articles of food and specifying appropriate system of enforcing various standards and laying down mechanisms and guidelines for accreditation of certification bodies engaged in certification of food safety management system for food businesses, laying down procedure and guidelines for accreditation of laboratories and notification of the accredited laboratories, then to provide scientific advice and technical support to the central government and the state government in the matters of framing the policy and rules in areas which have or direct or indirect bearing of food safety and nutrition, and it collect and collate data regarding food consumption, incidence and prevalence of biological risk, contaminants in food, residues of various contaminants in foods, products, identification of emerging risks, and introduction of rapid alert system, creating an information network across the country so that the public consumers, panchayats, etc. receive rapid, reliable, and objective information about food safety and issues of concern. It provides training programs for persons who are involved or intend to get involved in food businesses. It contributes to the development of international technical standards for food, sanitary, and phytosanitary standards. It promotes general awareness about food safety and food standards. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.